Hello, this is Jeffrey with Doorstep Publications. Today we are delighted to share with you this article titled Defeat Procrastination, Live Better, Live Healthier, Be More Productive. This Defeat Procrastination tip introduces the brain dump technique. Like many Defeat Procrastination tips, the brain dump technique is not new or even unique. You may even be familiar with it. What you will discover is that it is more than simply getting life or work in order. This technique has several positive personal health benefits. The brain dump technique is practiced by many of the most productive people. They apply this technique not just to be more productive, but also because it reduces stress. What is the brain dump technique? It is simply making a list of everything that you need to get done. Work, personal, family, everything. Sounds too simple, too obvious, you say. That is exactly the power of some of the best defeat procrastination techniques. They are often right in front of us. We just need to be reminded to put them in practice. What makes brain dump effective? Why is the brain dump technique effective? It is effective because trying to keep the to-do list of life in your head is unhealthy. With the amount of external noise hitting you each day through digital media and everyday life commitments, remembering all that needs to be done is not only difficult, but stressful. The brain dump technique is known to enhance your productivity and reduce stress and anxiety. It reduces stress because making a list of what needs to be done decreases the effort of having to try to mentally recall what is next. By having a list, it also diminishes the anxiety of wondering if anything was missed that should have been done. For the brain dump technique to be effective, it is important you keep your list where it is easily accessible and that you review the list regularly. Why is this important? You have probably heard the saying, out of sight is out of mind. The strength of the brain dump technique is in getting not just things done, but the right things done. You cannot do what needs and should be done if you cannot find the list. And the list is of no value if you do not refer to it regularly. By the way, here is a bonus of the brain dump technique. The act of just putting a line through or ticking a completed box as each to-do on the list is completed is known to be incredibly satisfying. This happy moment of achievement is motivating. It reduces anxiety and encourages you to push on to tackle the next item on your brain dump list. Thank you for watching. Our hope is that you discovered a nugget or two that will benefit you. Remember, procrastination is a habit. Changing that habit and replacing it with a more positive habit will take time. There is a link below to the complete Defeat Procrastination article. If you enjoyed this tip, please give us a like.